In this video, we're going to look at how you can use cppsketch to do audio stuff. Right now we're in the cppsketch root bottom of the repository. The first thing we need to do is go and get RT Audio, which is the audio backend. It's a very simple library that helps just make sound. So the way we do that is git submodule init and git submodule update, and that will download RT Audio for us. Great. So the next thing we'll do is we'll cd into the example for audio, which is in example/audio. So to make it, you just type make, and that creates a little binary called audio. Now if we have a look in this folder, there's a few files, and myliveaudio.h is the file that we can edit. So let's open that in Sublime Text. So here it's a little bit more complicated than the last example, but basically we've got this function called audio out, which gets passed in some samples, a length in frames, and number of channels, and all of this stuff just creates a sort of weird LFO. Let's try it out. So we've made it. Now just type audio. So now you should be able to hear the noise. And there's, basically you can just change this instantly. So you can speed up the LFO or slow it down or do whatever you want basically. And it automatically compiles and brings it back to your speakers.